Hey guys, it's Chris Baker here at Baker Roofing and Construction. I'm here doing a roof inspection here in Dallas, and I found something I think you ought to see. Now here you see a nice fireplace that's had rock added to it, and it was done a couple of years ago. But as you look around the base of the chimney, you can see all the discoloration on the shingles. That's all foot traffic from going up and down, bringing all those nice rocks for that fireplace. And what you have here is premature granule loss. The rest of the roof looks pretty good. But the areas where we had heavy foot traffic, right here, all the granules are gone, which then means all the protection to the shingle is now gone. So be careful when having work done on your roof. Make sure you call a professional that knows how to not only install the rock on your chimney, but also how to protect the shingles that keep the water out of your house.